Good evening, Happy New Year, and thanks for tuning in to 2 News. I'm Samson Tamajani. First off, to start 2026, we're now only a month from the start of the new Oklahoma legislative session, and one bill wants to make the Sooner State a little friendlier to animal nonprofits, specifically ones that need to buy a lot of food, medicine, and other items for animals rescued and needing a new home. That's exactly what Senate Bill 1301 hopes to do. It would add an 89th item to current exemptions to the state sales tax code to include registered 501c organizations that rescue or care for abandoned or abused animals or provide sanctuary or shelter for those that have not or cannot be rehomed.
We're standing alone pretty much as the only state that doesn't give any type of state sales tax break to an animal nonprofit.
Annette King is the founder of Wild Heart Ranch in the Claremore area. She's quick to point out the cost of not being tax exempt, despite the ranch being a site that takes in animals often found on the streets or neglected homes.
It can mean $20,000 to $30,000 a year for a moderately busy individual, rescuer. We recently did a dog and cat food drive when the food stamps were held up, and I paid hundreds, like $700 in sales tax on dog food that I gave away.
The Grove-based horse rescue and rehab group Blue Rose Ranch helped draft SB 1301 with Adair State Senator Michael Bergstrom. It'll get its first reading February 2nd. King will observe Wild Heart Ranch's 30th anniversary this spring, but she says she'll have a lot more to celebrate if her state supports groups like hers to save more money, to save a whole lot more critters.
There's 3 months out of the year that money would make a huge difference in our pocket. Yes. A huge impact.
Because at the end of the day, your goal is what?
Is to never borrow a dime against this facility. Just give these animals everything they need to survive and get out of here whole.